Subscribe now. Asus has more Zenbooks than anyone can keep track of, but its newest is a standout. The Zenbook 13 is an ultra-thin clamshell that just might be one of the lightest laptop you've ever held. It's not to be confused with the Zenbook 13 from 2017, which was a heavier product, with options for a 4K display and discrete graphics card. The new Zenbook 13 has neither of those. Asus is clearly selling this laptop based on the crazy light design. However, there's more to a laptop than just its dimensions. Here's how the rest of it stacks up. We haven't always been the biggest cheerleaders of Asus laptop design. It's often a little bland, and the company rarely attempts to change the formula. That's fine when you're talking about a budget laptop like the Zenbook UX330, but when you're spending over $1,000, you should expect more from the look of your laptop. Under the hood you'll find the usual suspects. There's 8th Gen Core i5 CPUs and 8GB of RAM as a base configuration, going up to a Core i7 and 16GB of RAM from there. We haven't been able to benchmark this laptop's processing power yet, but we suspect that it will perform honorably, like similar machines with those same components. The Zenbook 13 also starts with 256GB of SSD storage and comes with an attractive FHD display. There's no option for 4K or touchscreen here. You'll have to go back to the 2017 Zenbook 13 for that. The touchpad and keyboard are similar to those inputs we've seen on other newer Zenbooks, featuring 1.4mm of travel and nice backlighting. The Windows Precision touchpad is good enough, but its feel is nothing to write home about. We did, however, notice that it did a better job with palm rejection than the trackpad did on the UX330. Asus Zenbook 13 is a laptop that a lot of people will like, and some people will love. It starts at $999 for the Core i5 version with 8GB of RAM, and can be configured upward from there. For reference, you'll pay exactly that for a similar configuration on the new Dell XPS 13. Asus couldn't give us a firm date, but you should expect to be able to pick this one up within the next few months.